There are so many people in their houses sleeping. Some are still in the morning sleeping. So many people. In fact, we cannot count them unless we're able to see the body to count. If they are uncountable as I cry. Even myself, I lost a brother.
According to our records and the number of bodies so far, we have about 111. But now talking to the head of the district, he's telling me that they're estimating over 200. But to our own records, we have 111 bodies.
My house, I have about 11 rooms. All were destroyed. No food, everything. Although it did not the life I escaped. Nothing about it. My properties all were being gone.